Welcome back. Well, the bank Nifty is under pressure again, so it's down 1% as we speak, 1.2%. So close to 500 odd points shaved off for the bank Nifty. Within the index, just want to point out a couple of stocks which are managing to do well. So Sun Pharma stands out. It's up around 0.7%. They do come out with their numbers tomorrow. But before that, they have made an acquisition of two brands in the Indian market. They haven't disclosed how much they have spent on it, 2 or 3 brands, and that is in the anti-inflammatory market. So that's probably holding up in terms of a Q as well for Sun Pharma. But the bigger Q would definitely be the numbers which it will be releasing tomorrow, probably during market hours as well. But let's move on then, on to a special now. Like we've been telling you, CNBC-TV18 has compiled a list of the top 20 stocks to watch for this year. It's a carefully curated list of companies that warrant a closer look in 2023. Manglam is now standing by at the big wall with his stock. Manglam.
Well, that's right. You know, the stock on my radar, that among the 20 stocks that we're watching out for in 2023 is an FMCG one. There on the screen, it's Colgate. The reason why we're watching out for Colgate is the big question: will the new CEO deliver on this one? Prabha Narasimhan, of course, as we know, took over as MD and CEO from September 2022 after 14 years of being at HUL successfully. Prabha also, after taking over, spelled out the roadmap for growth. After taking over, she had 4 key points in that plan. One was to lead the toothpaste category growth itself. Secondly, premiumize through both science as well as innovation, new products. Third, lead category growth in toothbrush as well as devices. And fourth, build the personal care Palmolive business through organic and inorganic means. Now, this isn't something new. Analysts have said that this strategy is in line with the previous outlines as well. So now the important thing to watch out for will be execution. Will her HUL chops bring her, to execute on the strategy which has been there? Because Colgate over the last few quarters has been struggling. In fact, the last 4 quarters, the volume growth or the volumes have declined, and in the same time last year, the volume grew in middling about 1% or so itself. Even the quarterly performances of the company have been poor. In fact, in the last couple of quarters, the results of the company have missed expectations. But then there are a couple of things to watch out for. In the previous quarter, they've increased their ad spends by about 150 basis points. And they've announced a partnership with Andhra Pradesh government for oral health awareness program as well. The execution, like I said, needs to be monitored. The stock has corrected about 14% from its 52-week high, has been an underperformer in the FMCG pack, and trades at 34 times FY24 earnings. The key risks, however, and the reason why the stock trades at a discount, slower than expected recovery and larger than expected market share decline would be something that I'll be watching out for. The new CEO, does she deliver?
Okay, that's a big stock to watch in 2023. But once again, a standard disclaimer: this is not a stock recommendation. The CNBC TV